National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Sampson County in central North Carolina, southeastern Cumberland County in central North Carolina until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Emmon, or 15 miles southwest of Clinton, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roseboro and Garland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Groceries right on the spot.
Yay! Oh, and